Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So today's video is very special to my heart because I'm going to talk about my favorite topic, which is skincare. Now if you have been following me on my Instagram, you know I am a skincare freak. I love doing skincare. I love trying out different products. So I thought of making this video, but honestly I wanted to film this video since a really long time because I have had my own share of acne for 3 years and I know how it feels like to have acne all over your face. So the products that I'm going to be talking about in this video have worked for me, and I would like to give you a short disclaimer that it does not mean that they are going to work for you as well. So make sure you do a small patch test before investing in these products. And also this video is completely based on my experience. This is what has helped me to get rid of all the acne from my skin. So guys, this video is going to be divided into 3 parts. In the first part, I'll be sharing with you guys my acne journey. In the second part, I'll be sharing with you guys my skincare routine that has helped me to get clear skin. And in the third part, I'll be giving you some tips that has helped me to stay away from acne. So I will leave timestamps on the screen so you can jump to the part which attracts you the most, but I'll say that please watch the entire video because it is very close to my heart. So yeah, if you want to know how I went from this to this, please keep on watching the video. So talking about my acne journey, as every other girl, I started having pimples since I got my periods. So during that time of the month, you know, every pimple used to pop out on my face and it was very much natural. So everyone knows that like having pimple before periods and after periods is very natural due to the hormonal changes. So I did not pay much attention to it back then, and honestly it wasn't a problem for me because I only had one pimple and not like a bunch of them. But the only problem that I had since school was that I started having active acne under my chin area, that is over here. So I did not know what active acne was, right? I was in school, so I used to think कि मतलब चला जाएगा over the period of time, it will go, but it has still stuck with me till date. I think you can see thoda sa that is my active acne, and I am still working on it with my dermat, but I'll talk about the rest of my face. So I always used to get pimples on my T-zone, which is oily. So this is our T-zone and my T-zone is oily. I never got pimple on this area, touch wood, because I have dry skin over here, and the only sensitive part of my face, not sensitive but the only oily part of my face is my T-zone. That's why I used to get pimples over there. So I neglected it. I was like, you know, chala jayega, aa raha hai, chala jayega, it is not a big deal, blah blah blah. And I literally know that pimple can take a toll on your confidence because trust me, it had taken toll on mine too. But I would say that luckily I was surrounded with people who never pointed out that तेरे फेस पे इतने पिंपल्स है, मतलब इतने पिंपल्स क्यों आ रहे हैं, डोंट यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किन एंड ऑल द नेगेटिविटी. ओके, आई ऑलवेज हैड पीपल हु यूज्ड टू support me कि you know चला जाएगा, इतना टेंशन मत ले. Like when I used to go to my mom, when I used to go to my friends, I used to tell them यार पता नहीं इतने pimples क्यों आ रहे हैं, but they would always be like it's natural, hormonal है, चले जाएगी. So I did not face issues from my friends because they never cared if I had acne or not. They always loved me with or without it. But what happened in 12th standard, I think in 12th or in 13th, I started seeing that even if the acne on my forehead is coming and going, the acne on my chin is not going. And since 9th standard, the pimples that I had on my chin area are वैसे के वैसे. So I got a little bit worried, okay? And that's when I told my mom कि I think it's time that we consult a dermat. And also I remember side by side I started clicking pictures because I used to write blogs and all that. So that's when the confidence issue happened. I wasn't comfortable enough to face the camera because of my acne, and also I had dark patches around my lip area. I don't know what was wrong in my body, but it was very much visible on my face that I have dark patches near my lip area. So udhar se my confidence started taking toll on me, and then the acne also got worse, and that's when people started pointing out fingers ki matlab like not my friends but others. They started pointing out fingers, देखो इतना acne क्यों है, why don't you like do something about it. And trust me guys, तब तक I had tried everything, like every freaking thing. I used to Google everything, and I started with a skincare routine, and I thought you know मतलब वो मेरे लिए अच्छा हो रहा है, but the pimples kept on coming and going. Like the frequency got decreased due to the skincare routine that I googled. But अचानक से you know acne बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने लगा, and it literally took a toll on my mental health. I couldn't film anything. I couldn't face camera because I had acne, I had dark spots and everything. That's when I thought of consulting a dermat. But when I went to a dermat, the medicines that she gave me had side effects on me and the skin got more worse. After seeing the results of the medicines, I stopped going to her because I don't know like if her consultation went wrong or whatever, but I just lost faith in her and I was like, no, I'm going to change my doctor completely. But because of her, I had lost faith in a dermat as well, and I still kept on googling things which would help me to get rid of my acne scars, acne, active acne and everything. So 1 year back my acne got really worse. Like I'll pop a picture over here and this was exactly 1 year back. This is how I look right now. I'm so proud of it because I've worked very hard for it, guys. So again I went to my mom and I told her, yeah, I think we should go and search a good dermat and consult him or her. So that's when we started looking for a good dermat, and luckily we found a good dermat in my mom's business group. So she has helped me a lot to get rid of my acne scars, my dark patches, my active acne. We both are still working to get rid of my active acne because these are like very stubborn. हटते ही नहीं है यार, मतलब I don't know, I'm so done with them. But still, we are working on it. And also guys, I told her that, you know, I'll be shooting this video because I need to share with you guys how I got rid of my acne, because I know कैसा फील होता है. I know it takes a toll on your mental health. I know confidence issues हो जाते हैं. And hence I know how important it is to be consulted by a good dermat. So I'll leave all the details in the description box below. I called her yesterday actually. I spoke to her and she told me that she has started with consulting online. But if you have bigger issues, you can always visit her once in a week. You can talk to her, she'll give you her appointment. And the best part is that she told me that she's suggesting all the home remedies for her patients, so which is always a plus point, because trust me, medications can really cost you a lot. So I think this is a good time if you're looking for a dermat, you can always consult her. So coming back to my story, I was having my SVAG exams and that's when I went to her and I asked her ki kya hai karke, like what is it? Is it PCOD, PCOS? Because yes, when you have a lot of acne, like I did not have a lot of acne, but frequency zyada tha mere acne ka, and as I said, the active acne thingy, really, I still sometimes feel very underconfident to face camera because of the only thing on my face, that is my active acne. So she said ki no, this is not PCOD, PCOS. Like obviously you have to get it checked. The symptoms weren't visible for PCOD or PCOS. So she completely told me that you don't have to worry, it is not about PCOD or PCOS. So we will start your treatment karke. And then she started my treatment. So within 1 month I started seeing results, and guys, that blew my mind completely. I'm not even kidding. Like as I mentioned also, I have been someone कि मैंने सब try करके देख लिया था, but I also tried a dermat, but वो भी गलत हो गया था. And then after seeing results after 2 freaking years of trying to get rid of the pimples, it is really a special feeling altogether. Luckily I found the one. Luckily I found a good dermat and I'm so thankful to her. I know she's watching this video. So thank you so much Roshali ma'am for working on my skin and showing your magic. It has really helped me to feel confident again, and I can't thank you enough for that. So that was it about my acne journey. I'll quickly jump into the skincare routine for you guys because I know most of you are here for that. So yeah, let's jump into it. So initially my doctor gave me 3 products to start with, and one is the face wash, the second one is a sunscreen, and the third one is a moisturizer. Now she also started with doing spot treatments for my acne, and then she suggested me to use this clear gel Nico, and this is the Epidua. This is used to make the pimple dry. That's all I know about it, but I don't want to say much about it because मेरे को scientific terms नहीं पता, but they have done wonders on my skin, and every time I get a hint of pimple कि इधर आ रहा है, so I first use this, and this is something that I use once in a week to do spot treatment. That's it. I'm using this on my active acne actually. But if you want to know in detail about it, you can always consult my dermat because she is the right person to tell you guys about it. But I'll talk about the rest of the products, and I'll start with the face wash. Now she told me to use the face wash from Cetaphil, the Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now this is a product which works amazingly on each skin type. So be it if you are a combination dry or oily skin, you can always invest in this because it is going to work wonders. Like इसका काम ही है cleanse करना, so it does its job beautifully. and it is soap free and non-irritating, so it is not foaming at all. It leaves your skin very soothing, and that's all that I have to say about this. Like, since a year I'm using this, and I don't think I'm going to change to any other face wash. Like, trust me, this is my go-to. After cleansing my face, the second step that I go in with is a toner. Now I use the toner from the Beauty Co, which is the aloe vera skin toner. So basically toner का काम यही होता है that it tightens your pores, and trust me, it is very effective for anti-aging. Toner is a very important part of cleansing process. In case your cleanser is not removing out every small particle, that's when the toner comes in, and it helps to get rid of all the impurities, all the dust particles, all the remaining makeup residue that will eventually leave texture on your skin. So I think a toner is very important, and I won't recommend you to skip this part. So I specifically went for aloe vera because it has soothing and hydrating properties, and it is no secret that aloe vera is the most widely used element in herbal remedies. So that's why I thought of investing in a product which has aloe vera, and since it has healing properties, it is going to slow down your anti-aging process, and it is going to help you to get rid of the fine lines and help you to calm down your sunburn. So if you're confused कि किसमें invest करना है, make sure you go through the ingredient list, and अगर उसमें aloe vera है, so it is going to work wonders on your skin, because as I mentioned all the benefits that aloe vera has. So that was it for my second step. Now I'll jump to the third step. For the third step, I go in with a serum. This is from Mamaearth, the Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract. Now guys, a serum is very important for anti-aging. It really helps a lot. It tightens your pores, and serum is something which penetrates deep inside your skin. It won't sit on your skin as moisturizer. It is going to go deep inside your skin and give that extra hydration to your inner skin layers as well. So as I mentioned that this has niacinamide and B3, which is very helpful if you want to get rid of acne scars or dark patches. I added this step in my skincare routine since 3 or 4 months, and trust me, I can see a lot of results within 3 months of using this. It has literally lightened my acne spots. I won't say lighten also, it is like nearly invisible only abhi to. If you're looking for a serum and if you want to get rid of all the dark patches, I would say go in with this because it has amazing ingredients in it. And Mamaearth as a brand is also known for its products being paraben and silicone free. So if you are a beginner and if you want to invest in a good product, and if you have combination skin type, if you are facing a lot of acne issues, this is the serum that you should invest in because it is really going to help you a lot. So now after serum, I go in with using a moisturizer. Now this is the best freaking product I have ever used in my entire life. I can't stress enough on this. मतलब मैं इतना जितना भी तारीफ कर लूँगी ना ये प्रोडक्ट का, it is very कम. So this moisturizer was suggested to me by my dermat, and this is the Acro-Fi moisturizer from Dr. Reddy's. Now this is not available on Nykaa. You will always get this in any medical store near you. So talking about this product, I'm literally fida on this product. Now that's because I love hydrating my skin and I have tried a lot of moisturizers. But you know, हमेशा वो moisturizers होते हैं पता, like when you apply it on your skin, you feel sweaty within seconds. I hate those kind of moisturizers, but this is a blessing. It is a freaking blessing. So if you have a combination skin type, it is going to control your sebum production where you have oily skin type, and if you are a dry skin type, it is going to leave your skin very hydrated. So whoever has made this, God bless you. Like, all my best wishes to you. And the best part about this skincare routine is that it is very pocket friendly. Like, sub products are under 500, so it is a very effective as well as affordable skincare routine if you want to get rid of acne. So talking about the fifth and the last step, which is a sunscreen, make sure you don't skip this step. A sunscreen is a necessity in your life. If you are not a skincare fanatic, if you don't follow skincare routine, make sure you at least apply one cream, which is a sunscreen. So my doctor has given me this sunscreen from FaceGuard, which has SPF 30. So I think this video is already long, so I'm going to run you through sunscreen ka part very fatafat. Now sunscreen is like a layer on your skin which is going to help you to stay away from all the harmful rays, the ultraviolet rays. It is going to help you to avoid sunburn. It is going to help you from skin damaging as well. And guys, the best freaking part about a sunscreen is that it is not going to darken your dark patches more. So if you don't wear a sunscreen, just imagine आप ऑलरेडी टैन हो रहे हो और आपके जो बाकी के डार्क एरियाज है वो भी और टैन हो रहे हैं. सो इफ यू डोंट यूज द सनस्क्रीन, द सन इज गोइंग टू डार्कन योर डार्क पैचेस इवन मोर. So make sure you always apply a sunscreen. Even if you're not going out of your house, make sure you have a sunscreen on. इसके पीछे भी एक बहुत बड़ा reason है. That's because I remember myself asking my doctor. She told me कि even when you're at your home, make sure you apply sunscreen. And I asked her, why should I apply sunscreen when I'm at my home? So she told me like our skin is exposed to ultraviolet rays even when we are at our home. So if you're just hanging around your balcony, if you're chilling around your balcony, if you're working in your balcony, your skin is obviously exposed to the outside world. So that's why sunscreen is very important. I know बहुत ज्ञान बांट लिया, but this is something that has stuck to me since I asked her this question, and it has made so much of sense, and it has really changed my life since I started applying sunscreen. मतलब अगर आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो and आप sunscreen नहीं लगा रहे हो, so it is not going to make any sense at all. So make sure you invest in a good sunscreen, please. This is the step you cannot afford to skip. Even if you don't have acne skin type, even if you have normal skin type, make sure you go in with a sunscreen because sunscreens are the best. And guys, this is a sunscreen which is going to leave your face very mattified, so I love this sunscreen for that as well. Because as मैंने बोला कि moisturizers जैसे sweat कर देते हैं आपके face को, even sunscreen can do that to you. But both the sunscreen and the moisturizer, it leaves a mattifying effect on my face, and that's why I'm in love with both these products. So coming to the last step, and this is not at all required in your skincare routine, but as I mentioned that I love hydrating myself, so I am going with a mist to top everything. It's like a setting spray, but nahi. This is also from Beautyco. This is the aloe vera facial mist. Say that it is for hydrating and controls aging because obviously it's my aloe vera hair. The healing properties as I mentioned earlier also. So I bought a mist first because I need a lot of hydration. I need to look greasy, juicy. That's why I invested in a mist first. But after seeing its result, I invested in the aloe vera toner from the Beautyco. This combo is just amazing. I've recently stocked it. है वो मेरे skincare के tray में, but I'm going to keep on stocking this. I cannot deal with it if they are not around my eyes because they are very essential for me. So guys, I forgot to mention this one. This is a scrub which I use to exfoliate my skin twice a week. It is a very mild scrub and really helps you to get rid of all the dead cells, which eventually helps you to clear all the blemishes. So it is a very good exfoliator if you're looking for one, and it is amazing for sensitive skin as well. So it is also helpful to get instant glow because I really feel very refreshed after using this. So that was it about my skincare routine. This routine has helped me to get rid of my acne patches, my active acne and everything around acne. These are the products that I swear by, and I'm not going to switch my skincare routine anytime soon because I'm shit scared of acne. Like I'm shit scared of acne. So yeah guys, that was it about my today's video. I think it is going to be a long one because मैंने बहुत बात किया है इसमें, and as I mentioned in my intro as well, this is a very special video. It is about the topic which is very close to my heart. And before ending this video, I would like to tell you guys that आपके आजू बाजू में if people are facing acne, if girls are facing acne, if guys are facing acne, please don't point fingers to them. They know that they have acne. ऐसे point करके बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि what is wrong with your skin. They know what is wrong with their skin. They are taking care. They are doing their bit. But don't spoil their mood by just telling that what is wrong with your skin, because it is not going to make them feel better. Trust me, they might be taking a lot of actions for their skin, but नहीं हो रहा यार. It is a long procedure. It took me 1 year to feel confident. It took me 1 year to get rid of all my acne, and I'm still working on my active acne, which is year. So it takes a lot out of people to feel confident when they have skin issues. All you can do is be positive, tell them that it is fine, it is normal, it is not a big deal. Just stop teasing them because it is going to tell a lot about the person that you are. So please be positive, please be helpful, please be kind to people who face skin issues. Don't put them down because सच में यार, it really takes a toll on your mental health, and trust me, it does. And guys and girls with acne, trust me, it is going to be better. Trust me, you're going to find solution because there is a solution to everything in this world, and I hope you find the right doormat. I hope you start taking care of your skin, because once you start taking care of your skin, it is really going to show you the result. And don't worry, जो भी लोग बोलते हैं, just leave them, just ignore them. Surround yourself with positive people. And acne is natural, it is normal, it is not a big deal. So don't make one out of it as well. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll mention the links of the products in the description box below, and you will find everything that you need in the description box below. If you have any questions, you can directly leave it in the comment box below, or you can DM me on my Instagram. You can connect with me on my mail as well. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.